Hey you guys, welcome to Time to Unwind. Your girl Yamika is here. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing what wine should a beginner drink. So you guys, with that being said, I have 4 types of wines that we're going to be going through today. Basically, these are 4 types of wines that are on my to-do list. As you guys know, I'm not a beginner drinker. These are some go-tos. The wines that I'm going to be talking about today, the link will be in the description about the articles that I'm going to be reading from. So you guys, I know you don't want to miss this, so please take some time, sit back, and your girl will be right back. Welcome back, you guys. So, as a beginner, a newbie to wine, I know it can get frustrating and very overwhelming to find a wine. Believe me, I know, but that was a long time ago for me, long time ago for me. So, as a beginner, you might want to start with a lighter vintage wine. So I'm going to get right into the wines that I recommend. So here goes. So the first wine type will be the white wines. When it comes to white wines, look to Sauvignon Blanc, a flexible white that goes well with everything from salads to seafood. Some of One Hope's wine I would recommend would be the intensely flavored 2014 Rutherford Estate Sauvignon Blanc or the California Sauvignon Blanc. In addition to that, you can go with a crowd-pleasing Chardonnay. Delicious choice includes our 2011 Santa Barbara Reserve Chardonnay with the apricot and apple flavor, and that 2014 Canaris Reserve Chardonnay boosting crisp tropical fruit, apple, and pear flavor with light floral elements and a hint of vanilla. So you guys, that's the white wines. I know they sound good because now I'm getting thirsty just thinking about them and talking about them. So you guys, the second type of wine for the beginners, the newbies, will be red wines. The Cabernet Sauvignon is the most popular red wine in America. The One Hope Family Cabernet Sauvignon is vibrant and deep ruby red and has enchanting aromas of blackberries, black cherries, while the oak adds cloves, cedar, and toffee notes. Our Brody California Cabernet Sauvignon is a tremendous value, full of baked blackberry and deep aromas. And the Merlot lovers need to look no further than our huckleberry and loganberry flavored California Merlot. Silky, earthly Pinot Noir can be pricey, but first-rate value can be found in our California Pinot Noir. An inviting entry with bright cherries and strawberry with a hint of violet, hazels, and cola. For something a little more exotic, consider any of One Hope's Zinfandels, particularly our California Zinfandel, stuffed with juicy vine ripe berries, sure to please most red wine lovers. The 2012 California red wine blend also is a fine choice. So you guys, that was the red wine. The third wine for the beginners would be the Rosé. You heard what I said, Rosé. Dry rosé is a crisp and fruity, and it doesn't have the sweetness of white Zinfandel. Rosé also hits the spot in both warm and cool weather, and both day and night. Our affordable Lodi Rosé is a shippable vintage bursting with candy, watermelon, sandalwood, and raspberry sorbet. Now, this is our final one. It's our 4th and final wine for the beginners, and it's the sparkling wine. For a champagne-like bubbly, try One Hope's California Brut Sparkling Wine with a light color and aromas of fresh green apples, nectarines, and fresh baked bread. Crisp, fresh fruit, reminiscent of succulent peach, sweet berries, and pear, finishing with creamy and refreshing bubbles. So you guys, that was the 4 wines, but here's my conclusion on everything. While determining what you like is important, Learn how to understand and evaluate wine is a fatal component for beginners. Whenever you have a glass of wine in your hand, take a moment to focus your attention on the wine's appearance, scents, its flavor, and believe me, its finish. Whether you begin your wine journey by taking some of our suggestions or opt to venture out on your own, try tasting a few different bottles of wine, certain type of red, white, or even sparkling wine, just to get a really good feel to it. So you guys, guess what? It's comment time. I would like to know, what is your favorite type of wine? Is it sweet, dry, semi-sweet? Let your girl know. I'm here for it. Also, if you found value to this video, please like and share. And if you also want to know more about One Hope, or if you just want to shop with your girl, please do so. The link will be in the description. Take some time out to look it up and learn a little bit more. So make sure you be sipping on some wine, because guess what? It's time to unwind.